through grass, landed on Chance's head. He doesn't care that they're in his hair at all. So we're just checking for cactuses because we're gonna let these two, come out here and graze the land. So checking for cactuses, then we're gonna set up a gate so they can come in and out as they please, and then come back in at night. Hi. Hello, my sweethearts. Good morning. There's my babies, my little girls. Hello. Good morning. I know, I gotta refill you guys' stuff. It got all watered. And dump it out. Hi. And look who it is. It's the baby. Hi, baby. Hello. Boot. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Hold your horses, if you have any. Hey, relax. At least one was turned over. Any water? I mean, any ice? Well, it doesn't look like any ice is in there. All right, come on. Wow. Watch out, baby. Yeah. Oh, man, I don't want water getting in here. Hi, there you go. Get some food. There you go. Hi. Ooh. There you go. Hi, you. Look at you. Leave my toes alone. Get away. Get away, fathead. Get away from my toes. Whoa! One duck down. Two duck. Three. He's up there. Well, he's up there getting himself. Where is she? She's up on this side, I think.
Here they come. I hope.
Nope, she turned back. The security guard is there though. He's going back and chasing him. Okay. I'm thinking I might make an actual pond there. We made a pond for the pony guys and stuff, but I might make a water hole. So when they come out, they got water. Especially this guy. Yeah, these guys. Kirby, Pony, and Donkey. So there is Pony and Donkey right there, eating. And here's this guy right here. The celebrity goat himself, Kerbalicious. Where you heading, bud? You know you can get locked out of the barn. You can't go in there because you like to eat kitty litter, which is not good for you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Hey, say hi, Sea Lake Journeys. Yeah, there they are. The duck, one duck is swimming. She is like going for it, swimming. Ouch. But they're all down. They're all eating and watered, and this one is swimming. That's how come the water gets dirty so quickly. But as long as she's enjoying, that's the main thing. They're all happy. Looks like something is digging in my fence over there. I'm gonna have to re-fence or fill that holes in. I don't want nothing getting in there to get them, so I'm gonna have to refill that hole. Alrighty. And the man himself, Kerbalicious. Yeah, Kirby? Yeah, Kirby Werbs? Keep walking in front of me, Curbs. And his two best friends, which he disagrees with, but that's okay. Evie the donkey and Chance the pony. And the stock, Kirby the goat. Kirby, I need a good video shot of you. Say hi, Sea Lake Journeys. I love you guys, Sea Lake Journeys. I love you guys. Say hi. Damn nugget, Kirby. Dude, you hold food in front of him. Oh, he'll look. Every time I bring out the phone to start recording him, he does not like it. He looks away. You camera shy, yeah, buddy? Look at that pretty face of yours. Look at the beautiful eyes and that pretty cute face of yours. People want to see you. People want to see your beautiful face. Because you're so cute. Yeah, you're so cute. I love this goat. He's my boy. He's my baby. I love him so much. He's my baby. They're all my babies. Even them. They're my babies. Yeah. Alright, buddy. You can say bye to everyone? You can say bye, Sea Lake Journeys and Mark the Shark? He's turning away. What is this? Buddy, over here. Say bye. He's a hardhead. He doesn't want to say bye. Oh, there he goes. Alright, guys. This will end it for the vlog, and I will see you all in the next one. Aloha, buddy bears, and love your fur babies. Aloha.